Welcome to Dirty Physics. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. Find the position and nature of the image. So first we are going to consider a convex mirror here. So this is a convex mirror I am going to consider. So convex mirror means this side will be, we are having a silver coating more. So this side will be having a silver coating. And this side is a reflecting surface, right? And we are going to take a principal axis here. So this is the principal axis, and this point will be the pole. Okay. So in the convex mirror, where the focus will be? That is the biggest question here. We know that if the parallel rays which are coming here like this, so what will happen to the parallel rays which are coming like this after hitting this mirror? How they will reflect? Tell me. So they will reflect. How means this is a spherical mirror, right? This is it. A sphere here. Now, if this is the center of curvature, like 2f, like if this is the focus and this is a 2f, right? So, like this you can take. Or this is the center of curvature also. So from the center of curvature, we need to draw the normal here, like this. So to the incident ray and the normal here, angle of incidence. So we know that according to the laws of reflection, the ray must and should follow it. So here this will be the R. So angle I is equal to angle I, R. So in this way it will diverge. So here also the same pattern will follow and it will go in this manner. But if you see here, there is a miraculous thing is happening here. If you see here, this focus. So this line if you extend like this, the same way this line also if you extend like this, they will meet at this point, right? This point is focus, this point is focus. This point is focus or principal focus, you can take like that. Okay, so if you see here where this point is formed, it's a right side or left side. That is very important, because so from the pole, if it is forming right side, it means positive. From the pole, if it is in the left side, means negative. Simple and plain. So here we clearly it is that the focus is positive. So an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from the convex mirror. So we are going to place an object which is at 10 centimeters from the convex mirror. Okay, and the focal length is 15 centimeters. The focal length itself is 15 centimeters. What is plus 15 or minus 15? So this side is there. From pole it is this side. So the focal length is plus 15 centimeters. Very good. And the object is placed where more? And the object is placed from the pole, right? First of all, here what is the focal length here? So what is the focal length here? The focal length is 15 centimeters. But the object is placed at 10 centimeters only. So this is the 15 centimeters, but the object is placed at 10 centimeters only, right? So this is the object distance which is minus in this side. This side. Sir, here also you took plus 15. Here also you are taking plus 15. I am saying that the focal length 15. This side like that I took. But see this is a principal focus. We need to consider only principal focus. Okay. So the focal length is 15. But we are going to keep the object before the focus here. If you see here. So this is where we are going to keep. And this length they given that is 10 centimeters. But the 10 centimeters where from the focal this side. The left side. So this side is minus, right? So what we know that the object distance is equal to, u is equal to minus 10 centimeters. And what is the focal length here? The focal length, f is equal to plus 15 centimeters. What they are asking, and they are asking the position and nature of the image. What they are asking, they are asking that what is the image distance. What is the image distance, which is nothing but v is equal to Kohmark, and they are asking about nature, and simply if you draw the ray diagram, everything will be, we can say. First of all, how we are going to say these things? Simple and plain, mirror formula. We are going to take here mirror formula. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So what we need to find here? We need to find image distance. So I need to consider this one only here. So 1 by v is equal to, send this one this side. 1 by f minus 1 by u. So we know that f how much more? Plus 15. U how much? Minus 10. So 1 by plus 15 minus 1 by minus 10. Minus into minus plus will comes. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So what is the LCM here? So 150, 10 plus 15, 25. Which is what? 1 by V. Right? So what is V then? V is equal to 150 by 25. So V is equal to 150 by 25. So 150 by 25 means how much more? 6. Right? So V is equal to 6 centimeter, which is plus or minus? Plus. That means what? That means the image is formed this side. Right? We already said that. From the pole, this side means plus, this side means minus, like that. So the image is formed this side. A convex mirror here, the silver coating this side, and we need a principal axis. So this is the principal axis here, and this is the pole. Okay, and clearly said that the focus is 15 centimeters, right? So here they said the 15 centimeters. This is the focus. So two focus are there. Which one is? This one is a principal focus. This one is normal focus. Okay, principal focus is a matter where we are calculating anything. So this is the principal focus here. We are assuming that the rays are coming in this direction, like that. Okay, so the object is placed at what distance? Object is placed at 10 centimeters only. See, you can see here object is placed at 10 centimeters only. That means what? Focal length itself 15, but the object is placed at 10 centimeters only. So this is the object is placed at. So let me take this object is AB. So the ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis. What happened more? The ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis. So after striking it, it has to pass through the focus, but directly it won't pass through the focus more. So dotted lines only we have to draw, because actually what happened to this ray? Actually this ray is going to get like this ray is going in this direction. Got it? And the ray which is striking pole here like this. So here we are going, I am having another ray which is striking pole in this direction. So actually if you see this ray, so if this is the center of curvature here, from the center of curvature to the pole is radius, right? So this radius is nothing but normal also. See, normal like this. So from normal to incident ray, angle I. So again we are going to get angle R also. So which is come like this direction. So this is angle R. So again if we extend this line, we are going to have, this is the point which is nothing but A dash and B dash. Got it? So what kind of image is formed here? If you see here, it's a virtual image now. See, if for example, the ray which is going in this direction is going in this direction. The ray which is going in this direction is going in this direction. These are the two rays which are going in different direction. They are not actually meeting there, but we are making them to meet by extending the reflected rays like this. So these kind of images we are calling as a virtual images. Got it? So these kind of images we are calling as a virtual images. And so the question, that's all, right? So what? Find the position and nature of the image. And the position we already find out, right? So the position is plus 6 centimeters. So the position is plus 6 centimeters. So this is plus 6 centimeters. And the nature of image is virtual image and erect image. Erect means straight. So if you are placing the object in this direction, like this is foot and this is head. The same it will also forms here. This is foot and this is head. Same like this. Erect image. Thank you for watching, guys.